Animals are such agreeable friends. They ask no questions and pass no criticism. Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome to EVS Interactive class. Today, we will discuss about some exotic animals, means the animals which are not found in India. Animals from other countries. Some animals live in mountains, wild forests, and very cold climates. These animals are not commonly found in our country and are seen only in the zoo, on TV, or in books. Let's see some of these animals. First such animal is panda, also called giant panda. These have a distinctive black and white coat with black fur around eyes and on their ears, legs, and shoulders. Their thick woolly coat helps to keep them warm in their cool mountain homes. They have short tail of 10 to 15 centimeter. They look very cute. But children, do you know that they are likely to become extinct in near future? They are among endangered animals, means they are at high risk of getting extinct because of human activities, like humans are clearing forests, due to which they are losing their natural home, and also due to excessive hunting. They are nearly at the rate of extinction. So it is our moral duty to save this animal from getting extinct, so that our future generations can also see these type of animals. Pandas are very lazy animals and they just love eating and sleeping. Means eating and sleeping makes their day. They go from pink to white and black. An adult panda can eat 12 to 38 kilos of bamboo per day. Their favorite food is bamboo shoots. They are usually born in the month of August. They have 6 toes to grasp bamboo, and they live only in remote mountainous region in central China. These high bamboo forests are cool and wet, just as panda like it. This is a picture of penguin. This is also one of the animals which is not found in our country, but you must have seen penguins on TV or in books, etc. Let's discuss some of the very interesting facts or features about penguin in our next slide. Penguins are flightless birds. While other birds have wings for flying, penguins have adapted flippers to help them swim in water. They live only in the southern hemisphere of the world, Antarctica. They are also found in New Zealand, southern Australia, South Africa, and South America. They lay their eggs and raise their babies on land. They eat fish and other seafood. They are amazing birds. They are not found in North Pole. Means no penguin live at the North Pole. Penguins can drink seawater. They spend around half of their time in water and other half on land. Penguins in Antarctica have no land-based predators. This is a picture of ostrich, which is also not found in India. And now let's discuss the interesting facts related to ostrich in our next slide. The ostrich is a large flightless bird that lives in Africa. They are the largest living birds and have the biggest eggs of all living birds. Ostriches do not fly, but they can run very fast. They can run faster than any other birds. They have biggest eyes of all land animals. They have long legs and a long neck. Male ostrich has bold black and white color, while female ostrich has light brown color. This is the only bird that has 2 toes on each foot. A frightened ostrich can achieve a speed of 72 km per hour. If cornered, it can deliver a dangerous kicks capable of killing lions and other large predators. Their diet consists mainly of roots, leaves, and seeds. But ostriches can eat whatever is available. Sometimes they consume insects, snakes, lizards, and rodents like rats also. Means they are omnivores. This is another animal which is not found in India. Yes, you are right. It is a kangaroo. Now let's discuss some interesting facts about kangaroo in our next slide. Kangaroos have large, powerful hind legs and large feet adapted for leaping or hopping. A long muscular tail for balance and a small head. Female kangaroos have a pouch in which joeys, means their babies, complete their development, because when they are born they are immature. They can hop around quickly on two legs, but they can also walk around slowly in all four legs. On all four legs. They can't walk backwards. They can jump very high. Most kangaroos live on the continent of Australia. They are herbivores and they eat grasses, flowers, leaves, etc. This is also an exotic animal which is not found in India, and the name of this animal is koala bear. So let's discuss about this animal in next slide. Koala bears are herbivores that live in the eucalyptus forest of eastern Australia. They look somewhat like a small bear or a teddy bear. Means they look too cute, and they are fussy eaters. Means they just love to eat. They have large round head, big furry ears, and a big black nose. Their fur is usually grey-brown in color, with white fur on the chest, inner arms, ears and bottom. They prefer to have no contact with humans at all. They are nocturnal animals, means they are active during night. They sleep most of the day in tree branches. They eat eucalyptus leaves and eat so many leaves in a day. It smells like leaves, means they eat so much leaves that they smell like leaves. They are known for their laziness and sleeping abilities, and they are tree dwellers, means they live on trees. So children, today we have talked about some of the animals from other countries like panda, penguin, ostrich, kangaroo and koala bear. Hope you must have enjoyed today's EVS session.